Disclaimer: this is a light-hearted video which has no intentions to hurt the sentiments of any viewer watching this. This is meant for entertainment purpose, and any resemblance to any person, alive or dead, religious or non-religious, is highly coincidental. Hello, hi, namaste. Welcome back to another Sunday. So I asked my subscribers what they wanted to see on my channel, and some of them said, not some of them actually, most of them said types of people during the Lent season or what people do during the Lent season. See this. So you guys are really feeling the Lent season, huh? So all the Catholic folks know what this video is gonna be about. It's gonna be your cousin, so get ready to relate to it. And all my non-Catholic homies, you know what? You would probably have that one Catholic friend who have mentioned about fasting or the Lent season. Not to sound like a priest here, but basically we prepare ourselves for the next 40 days by becoming a better version of ourselves, by living a simple life, helping the poor, praying a lot, and giving up or sacrificing the things that we love or like. People give up non-veg, alcohol, smoking, watching the shame things, whatever they feel they can sacrifice to become a better person. So I have observed there are different kinds of people who take a different approach to this, and some are hilarious. So in this video we are going to see what some people do during the Lent season. Some way to dodge the bullet, Evelina. Yeah. So without any much blabbering, let's just get started. Actually, ma'am, you know what? I'm fasting. That's the reason I couldn't do my assignment. Just tell me. I cannot come because I'm fasting. Duh. Mom, I cannot wash my plate. I'm fasting. I cannot take the risk of going to the kitchen, please. I'm fasting, guys. Hey guys, and welcome to my live. I'm sorry if my headband is not matching to my top. It's because I'm fasting, guys. You know, it's been very difficult, but it's the Lenten season and everybody should fast. So, especially the good people. So, yeah, I'm fasting.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
Hello. I know I shouldn't have done this, yeah. We are on a break now. Just cannot get over it. I miss it so much. Yeah, I know. Only 40 days, 6 hours, 23 minutes, and 57 seconds to go. Cutlet. 65. Lollipop. Only 39 days, 9 hours and 15 minutes to go. I've got this. Huh? No, it's Lent, no, now. We do not eat non-veg. Only eggs and fish. By the way, I don't do gossip and I'm not interested in gossip, especially this is a Lenten season, so... But you know what happened the other day? Come. Today's kids know they do not know how to come to church only. Sleeveless and short dress. Disrespecting everybody. Oh, hi, how are you? Yeah. No, I had seen your sister in the church. Yeah, sleeveless she was wearing, right? Yeah, beautiful she was looking. But you know what? It's the church, no? So then you have to wear scarf or something like that. So people talk. You know how people are over here. So, Lent ko na, no? It's okay. Munchage mo ko kadi sa paspas hai. Oy, मुझ बशे. ना, तू काकी सांगता रे रुबी ना रुबी. होय तेगे चोड मुगो आनी तो सायकल वालो तो काय बाराबोर पोंप माताय हुई बाराबोर पोंप माताय म्हळ्यार कळना तुका खबरां खाता येवपान चोय खाता रे म्हाका मुगो खबरो करपा बरो दिसना पूण आमगे थिंग फाटल्यान तुका खबर आहा काल आंड्यो फ्लाय जायन एशें कोन्न झगडी हुई तेजे फाटल्यान मागीर प्लेट बी फुटलो काय म्हण तेंगेल्यो तू खबर आहा
मागीर हांव कितें करूं?
Oh, hi. No, I'm good. Lent is also good. So what did you give up this Lent, huh? Oh, hi. I'm good. How are you? Lent? Yeah, it's going good. I decided to give up alcohol for the next 40 days. What? You only gave up alcohol for this Lent? I gave up alcohol forever. That's good. I also gave up Instagram because, you know, it's very distracting and it consumes a lot of time. So I gave up Instagram too. Oh, so you uninstall Instagram. You know what I did? I uninstalled all my social media apps. Yeah, that's how much I love Jesus. Good for you. By the way, I've also given up non-veg. Oh, okay. So you just give up non-veg. That's it. That's it. I'm a vegan now. I love animals. I pray 3 times a day. Do you? Do you even pray once? I do not see you praying in the office. Wait. So you only prayed 3 times a day. I have joined the convent. I'm gonna be a nun now. Starting from Monday. Okay, relax. You're going way out of line now. But I donated 20,000 rupees to a charity. Yeah, that's right. So you donated 20,000 rupees to a charity. Okay, you win. I'm broke. Also, I was kidding about everything, okay? I've not done anything. Hello? Arey, I'm working out. You don't know Lent is here? And now I'm going to do only veg diet. You know that, what is that? Intermittent, yeah? Yeah, that one. I'm going to have a fit body, my friend. No, I'm planning to order some more dumbbells. These are like too light for me. Finally going to get the fit body after 40 days. All the exes are going to regret, and I can also make that reel. How did I go from this to this? Hello, McDonald's. Yes, I would like to order one big Maharaja, Aurangzeb, Mughal, Ashoka, British Portuguese rule, triple patty with extra cheese burger. Actually, make it a double XL meal. Hey, hi, can I sit here? I've already said. So how are you? Do you follow Lent? What do you mean you don't follow Lent? You don't want to see the pearly gates of heaven? See, I'm not forcing you, but there are multiple sacrifices you can make. If you give up non-veg, you are going to get a good healthy life with less protein, but a good healthy life. If you give up watching shame things, you are going to get a good eyesight without eating carrots. Think about it. Also, no cataract operation. Guarantee. You don't believe me? Believe God. I'm telling you, it's a guarantee. If you give up your money to charity, by the way, I have tie-ups with a lot of charities, So I was saying, if you give up money to charity, you will become rich in heart and deeds, Oh, you're not Catholic. See, I'm not forcing anyone, but if you have any friends, who are Catholics, then here's my card. Hey, you know what I give up for Lent? Length. Not funny. Oh. Thank you, auntie. But are these veg? I don't want veg, auntie. I only eat chicken. No, take this back. I really don't eat veg. I will keep Lent next year. Now I've eaten only chicken, so why simple? Once this great author said that khali haath aaye the hum khali haath jayenge. I'm a firm believer of that, and I do more of a spiritual length, more than the physical one. What's the point? In the end, we all are going to die, so why not eat chicken and die? Thank you, auntie. These are chicken, right? Yeah, thanks. I was saying that it doesn't matter. Like, what's the point? We all are sinners. And that is all I had for you guys today. I hope you'll enjoy the video, and if you did, please hit the like button. Comment down below and let me know your favorite part about the video or some of the funny things you have heard that people give up during the Lenten season. If you watch my videos and like them, please hit the subscribe button, and along with that, hit the bell icon so you do not miss any of my videos. Also, thank you so much, you guys, for being so supportive towards me last week, sending me DMs, messages, emails to get well. That meant a lot to me, so thank you so much. Until then, more and peace. See you next Sunday. Bye.